I can't believe it. The mail lady came to the door. She rang the doorbell. Ding dong. And she brought me my YouTube package. She said, you have a package from YouTube. So I was super excited and I wanted to unbox it with you, the Spirella family, to say thank you for getting me to over 100,000 subscribers. Are we ready to do the unboxing now? Doesn't look very silver. Oh, it's the foam. Oh, okay, so here's this. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. It was inspected by Rick. Wow. Okay, so now here is the letter that YouTube sent me. It is from the CEO, Susan. We're getting past 100,000 subscribers. And they're all part of my Spirella family. Here it is. Here's the magical silver play button award. Let's open it up. I can't wait to press play and see what it plays for us. Okay, so here it is. Meebles Spirella for passing 100,000 subscribers. Okay, are we ready to press play? 1, 2, 3. Let me try it again. 1, 2, 3. It's not playing anything. There's probably an on switch in the back. No, that just looks like you hang it. Maybe on the side there's an on switch. No, I don't see an on switch. Let me try it again. I don't think it really plays because it's broken. My silver play button is broken. What should I do? Comment down below what I should do since it's broken. It won't, look, see I'm pressing it. It's just not playing anything. Well, either way, it's at least super duper beautiful. And I'm so glad and wanted to say a big thank you to all my YouTube subscribers for getting me this award. Well, comment down below if I should do a giveaway and maybe go to the store and buy some fun toys and give away to the Spirella family. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.